Just going on a walk with the good puppy. Daisy, are you a good girl? All right, a little OOTD. These pants, they're like a gray plaid. They are from Maurice's. They are ancient. I've had them for years now, and this shirt was a Christmas gift. I love this outfit. Super cute. Got my mixed match St. Patrick's Day socks on, because why not? And now I have decided that it's time to do my laundry. Gonna help Daisy? Are you gonna help? You're so helpful. Daisy, were you getting into absolutely everything while you were downstairs helping me with the laundry? Were you getting into everything? Because you're just a baby, and that's what babies do. They get into everything. Baby.